hope you enjoyed our rap. And now it's time to learn about what is happening at Hoover to save Mother Earth.
The Hoover Green Team would like to take this opportunity to share some ways you can help save our Earth right here at Hoover School.
You can save energy by
shutting off the lights when everyone leaves the room.
BAM! Turn out at least one strip of lights and open the blinds in each classroom when the lights are not needed.
BAM!
You can help eliminate waste in your classroom by commingling. If you are wondering what commingling is, it is when multiple items that are recyclable are placed in the same container. For instance, here's a list of items you can commingle in your blue bin.
Plastic bottles.
But before you throw it in, you have to crush it in and put the cap on. BAM!
Paper.
Ready? BAM!
Aluminum cans.
BAM!
Cardboard.
BAM!
Plastic.
BAM!
Items you cannot commingle.
Food.
BAM!
Styrofoam.
BAM!
Plastic shopping bags.
BAM!
If you have any questions about what you can commingle, you can talk to any Green Team member.
We appreciate your effort and thank you for taking this time to learn about the Hoover Green Team Initiative.
Oh, let's do it, let's do it.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Let's do it anyway.
Get it now, ready. Celebration!